No School for Parenting. How do young parents learn? Hi, this is an hour with Sir Noni editorial. There is no school for parenting, no classroom, no textbook, no diploma that can fully prepare anyone for the immense responsibility of raising a child. For young parents, especially those suddenly thrust into the role, the journey can feel like walking in the dark, guided only by instinct, trial and error, and the examples, good or bad, set by those before them. Parenting is one of the most important tasks in society, yet it is also the least formally taught. We prepare years for careers, study long hours for degrees, and train endlessly for sports or arts. But when it comes to shaping a being's values, character, and future, we are left to figure it out ourselves. The result? Many young parents, unsure and unprepared, repeat cycles of mistakes, neglect, or worse, abuse, often without even realizing it. How then can we teach what no school formally teaches? The answer lies in breaking the silence and stigma around parenting education. Communities, schools, churches, and government institutions must step up to offer real guidance through workshops, support groups, counseling, and accessible resources. Young parents must be empowered, not shamed. They must be taught that asking for help is not weakness but wisdom. Parenting is not about perfection, it is about commitment, patience, and learning every single day. Love is essential, but love without knowledge can also harm. A parent must learn how to be firm, when to be gentle, and when to listen and when to lead. These are not innate skills, they are cultivated. The truth is, every child deserves parents who are learners too. While there is no school for parenting, society can and must create spaces where young mothers and fathers can be guided, supported, and mentored. Because raising a child is not just a private duty, it is a public investment in the nation's future. Parenting may never come with a manual, but it can and should come with a community that cares. Thank you for listening.